Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Civil Engineering Lectures Berkshire. So in this video I am going to explain sieve analysis method. Sieve analysis method. This is one of the most important method in civil engineering application. By using the sieve analysis method we can determine the grain size distribution in the soil. What is the purpose of the sieve analysis method? It is used for determining grain size distribution in soil. So for determining the grain size distribution in the soil, we are going to use the sieve analysis method. So what are the apparatus required for sieve analysis? First of all, we are taking a weighing balance. Next we are taking some set of sieves. Next we are taking the soil sample. Next we are taking a sieve shaker. So what is the procedure for this method? In our first step, first we have to weigh or take 1000 gram of oven dried soil sample. In our first step, we have to take 1000 grams of oven dried soil sample. After drying the soil sample in the oven, we have to take 1000 grams of soil sample. We have to clean the sieve and the pan with a brush, arrange the sieve in increasing order of the size from the top and the bottom. Our second step is we have to clean the sieves in the pan. We are using different number of set of sieves. We have to clean those sieves in the pan by using a brush, and we have to arrange the sieves in case of increasing order from top to bottom. The size of arrangement of sieve is 4.75 mm, 2.36 mm, 1.18 mm, 600 microns, 425 microns, 300 microns, 150 microns and 75 microns, and at the bottom we are providing the pan. So this is the arrangement of the sieves in case of the increasing order from top to bottom. This is our third step. Coming to fourth step, we have to pour the weighted soil sample on top of the sieve and shake it with a mechanical sieve shaker or manually for about 5 to 10 minutes. Next we have to pour the soil sample on first sieve. We have to pour the soil sample on the first sieve and we have to shake the soil sample. How can we shake the soil sample? We can use a mechanical sieve shaker. By using a mechanical sieve shaker, we can sieve all the soil sample, or by hand also we can sieve the soil sample for about 5 to 10 minutes. For 5 to 10 minutes we have to shake the soil samples. In our fifth step, after shaking the soil sample in the sieve shaker, we have to weigh the soil retained on each sieve. Then the total sum of the retained soil must tally with the original weight of the soil taken. After completion of the shaking, we have to weigh the soil retained on each sieve. What is the percentage of soil retained on each sieve? We have to calculate the percentage of the soil retained on each sieve. The sum of soil retained on each sieve should be equal to original weight of the soil. What is the final step means? Sum of soil retained on each sieve should be equal to total soil weight taken. We have to calculate what is the soil retained. We have to calculate the sum of the soil retained on each sieve. The total soil retained on each and every sieve should be tally with the total number of the soil weight what we have actually taken. So this is the procedure of sieve analysis method. First of all, we have to weigh 1000 grams of oven dried soil sample. Next we have to clean the sieves in the pan by using a brush, and we have to arrange the sieves in the increasing order from top to bottom. The sieves are in the order of 4.75 mm, 2.36, 1.18, 600 micron, 425, 300, 150, 75, and finally we are keeping the pan at the bottom. Next step is we have to pour the weighted soil sample on the top of the sieve, and we have to shake it by using mechanical sieve shaker or manually by hand by 5 to 10 minutes. After shaking the soil sample in the sieve shaker, we have to weigh the soil retained on each sieve. Means how much soil is retained on each sieve, we have to take the weight of the soil sample. Next, the sum of the retained soil must be tally with the total original weight of the soil taken. So this is the procedure of the sieve analysis method. Next, I am going to explain the observation table. How to take the observation table or how to note down the observation table in case of sieve analysis method. Coming to observation table, in our first column we are going to take sieve sizes. We have taken different number of sieve sizes. We have to note down all the sieve sizes in the first column. In our second column, we have to take the weight retained. How much weight is written on each sieve, we have to note down in the table. We have to note down in the column 2. In our third column, percentage weight retained. How we can calculate the percentage weight retained? Weight retained by total weight into 100. How to calculate the percentage weight retained on each sample? We have to take how much weight is retained on that sieve divided by total weight into 100. By doing this, we can calculate the percentage weight retained. Next column is cumulative percentage retained. For calculating the cumulative percentage retained, the first value remain the same. While coming to next value, we have to add these two values and we have to calculate. Like this, we can calculate the cumulative percentage retained. In our final column, we are taking the percent final. How we are going to the percent final? 100 minus cumulative percentage retained. When we are subtracting 100 minus cumulative percentage retained, we will be getting the percentage final. So this is about the observation table of the sieve analysis method. Thank you everyone. Please share, subscribe and like to my YouTube channel.